Oh my god. The calm before the storm. Chalet. But do you guys see my skin though? Alright, so I'm gonna attempt to put this wig on, but guys, I gotta show you the wig first. Duh. So I got the wig from the same lady who made my wig for my Shigo cosplay, and if you haven't checked out my Shigo cosplay tutorial, by the way, I'll leave it up in the cards and also down in the description. Okay? Anyways, are you guys like ready? Because I'm not even sure if I'm ready. So this is the wig. I know. It's bomb, right? Oh. Let me see. Bomb. I really don't need to glue it, I don't think, but I'm gonna try to glue this part. Just this part right here. I don't even think I need wig cap for real. Probably just need to put a little bit of makeup and a little bit concealer here. But ain't she cute? I love her. Oh my god. Maybe I'll just do that last. I wanted to see if I should glue this part down. I was actually gonna try the ORS grip gel. I heard really good things about this. If you like wig tutorials or whatever, how to glue things down, you should actually check out our nail. I heard about this wig glue gel whatever thing from her, and she swears by it, so we're gonna probably just give it a whirl today. Yeah, I'm not sure if I should do it now and then just, you know, put it down, but yeah, so I actually decided that I was gonna put a little bit of powder right here, even though it's pretty much my color. Just to add a little bit more extra. I'm just gonna take this Sephora Micro Smooth powder. Just slights, very slight. Yeah, I think I am actually going to glue this part down, just this part. And then I'm gonna cut the lace later. I'm like, should I have just wore a wig cap? Actually, it really doesn't look too bad. Whatever. Yeah? I'll be right back. Got my rat tooth comb. I'm gonna put a little bit of this gel on it. I'm gonna take this off. Oof. Oof. She is melted. Okay. Melted. I'm gonna just take some of this alcohol just to clean up right here before I put makeup on. Okay, I think that worked. Right? Whatever. So guys, I effed up. I forgot to put foundation on. I usually put just like a drop anyways, but I forgot to put it on. I realized that after I done set my face and blush and everything, you know, I forgot, okay? And I really am not in the mood to wipe all this, not the eyeshadow, but the face off just to put on a drop of foundation. Like, I'm not gonna do that. So this looks pretty good to me. I'll probably just add a little bit more bronzer and call it a day because I'm just not in the mood to put on, redo this, because this looks good to me. And I worked hard, but I really took my time to do the contour and everything, and yeah, it just looks good. It would have been different if I didn't I shaved my face last night, so that's good. That's the only reason why this looks really good. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep it as is. But it's just, the hair is laid, okay? She's laid to the wards. Now you put a little bit of like bronzer, like this side. I just put a little bit, like right in. Yeah, that did it. Looks good to me. I'm gonna go put on some lips. Guess who? Miss Nene's here. It's by Nene. Oh. Hi. Hey. Look at the cut though. Do you guys appreciate the cut? I'm obsessed, Nina.
What cut? Oh,
your haircut. Your haircut.
She's in the lab.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to the salon to get a cut a little bit lower. I want to show you.
Wow. Okay, I see you, girl. Anyways, they in the lab cooking. Let me leave them alone. All right, bye. All right, it's time to take these out because I'm gonna put on some fake nails, and I need to take these out, and I need to put boob tape on before I put those on because I haven't worn like nails in so long. Like, I'm not used to wearing nails, so it's kind of hard for me to like maneuver. But I definitely wanted to have nails in the pictures because I ain't trying to my hands look like thumbs. So if you guys don't know, I am a licensed massage therapist, and that's why I do not have nails. Before that, I used to wear nails all the time. But yeah, that's why. So I'm just gonna speed this up. I actually come back to you guys at the end, actually. All right, I think one more. Okay guys, so I got these press-on nails from I believe Rite Aid. They're acrylic nails by Kiss. So I'm gonna press those on. Yeah, just put a little glue and then stick them on. I'm a little bit on a time crunch, so I won't show you guys how I did that. Bye. Hi guys, so this is outfit 1. I know. I mean, get into it. Nina's looking at me like I'm crazy, but I promise you, I am crazy. But yeah, this is outfit 1. I know I'm in the corner. It's because we're on carpet, and I don't want to keep creating holes like until we're actually going to take pictures. So yeah, this is outfit 1 from Pretty Little Things. Okay, and I got these shoes from Shein, which you'll probably see in my Shein haul anyways. But yeah, it was cheap. I got these earrings for like $10 at the mall. I don't remember the mall. I mean, not the mall, but the store. So it is what it is. All right, I'll catch y'all on my next outfits and other behind the scenes. All right, bye.
I would have stopped you if I knew what you was doing.
Perfect times 2. I can't take this, man.
All right, let me make sure nothing got kicked off. Period. I really like this look, even though I don't have any foundation on. Can you believe it? I forgot. But it looks good though. Right, Ninas? Yeah, hey!
Get on the set.
Get on the set.
Get on the set.
She's so mean.
Get on the set. Get on the set. S curve like sexy.
I have to go in here because I always run down the kitchen.
Wait, what?
I forgot how the Kinko. By the time I went, all the water evaporated. The Kinko was burning.
Give me seductive.
I don't know what seductive is.
I'm
not sexy.
Seductive.
I don't know how to be sexy, y'all. I can be cute all day. Sexy? Ah! Sexy.
You're a whole mess. Lay down and face up.
Lay down, face up. Okay, this way or that way?
That's what he said. No, that's masculine energy. You're working on that.
All right, let me turn off my camera.
No,
you block it off.
No, it's fine. I'm not gonna block this one.
I'm done, guys. I'll see you on my next. Hi guys, so this is my second outfit. Okay. Don't worry, when I had the pictures, I was sucking so much, okay? But this is real life, okay? This is my fupa. And you shouldn't be ashamed of your fupa, ladies. If you are, just work it out, babe. Just work it out. But this is, isn't it giving? It's giving. Giving, I don't know. I got this from, where did I get this from? No, at the mall. Olive Ole. I got this from Olive Ole yesterday because I just needed a quick little pickup. And these shoes, I have no idea where they're from.
Shein.
They're from Shein. They're my cousins. Aren't they cute? All right, so I'm about to shoot, so I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Hi guys, so this is the third outfit. Yeah, so as you can see, we was not doing anything extra in it. I had to sit down because titties was appearing. Okay, they wanted to make an appearance, but yeah, it's giving fupa, but sexy fupa. And yeah, I really love the color. I actually really like this. I mean, I wish I had like some tape or whatever, but yeah. So this one is from Olive Ole as well. So yeah, rate it in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe. All right, bye. Hi guys, so this is the fourth outfit. I know, baby, I know. It is giving, I don't even know what it's giving, but it's giving me some type of yansh. Number one, zoom into the yansh. Anyways, please don't demonetize me. Yes, it's giving. And I got this one from Olive Ole as well. It was a set, so, you know, you can check them out if you're in, I don't know if they have a website, but if you're in Maryland, you can check them out. Or Virginia. So, yes, giving. Oh, yeah, and I got these earrings from Shein. Shein? How do you say it? Shein. Yeah, so, yeah, it was like $2. It's good, though. It's good. It's very dramatic. It's very me. But, yeah. Anyways, stay tuned for cozy sets. Wow, sweets after work. Hey, pics by Nini. Guys, this is called Dieho. Tuozafi. It's a Ghanaian dish. Yeah. Look at her. Wow.
Yo.
Well, you can never say I don't feed you.
You feed me right.
Okay. Period.
Period.
Guys, so this is my cozy set, last and final set. Don't ask me why I have golden pineapples in my hand. Anyways, you'll find out at the end of the video when the pictures come out. Anyways, guys, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, and that's a wrap. Say bye to Nina.
Bye, guys.